Hello students, welcome to the Deep Logi YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss important questions regarding the topic of nutrition, what we have learnt. Okay, the first question says that the stomata closes when it needs carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. It does not need carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. Water flows out of the guard cells. Water flows into the guard cells. What do you think? Pause the video and answer it first. Then we'll get into a solution. Okay. First, we will discuss these two statements by an example that when the relatives are outside, okay, and there are already much relatives who are present in your home, you don't want these also come to your home. So what you will do, you will close the door. In the same way, carbon dioxide in the plant is already satisfying the amount of photosynthesis. Now it does not need carbon dioxide anymore. Then it closes now. So the second statement is correct. Then in these two statements, if you see, we have learned that when the water is there, the guard cell gets swollen. When the guard cell gets swollen, the stomata will open. When the water is there. When the water is not there, the guard cells will get shrink. Then the stomata will what? Close now. So this condition is satisfied by which of the statement? This one. Water flows out of the guard cells, then the guard cell get shrink, then the stomata will close. So the answer is option C. Second and third statement are correct. Okay. The second question says that an organism which breaks down the food material outside the body and then absorbs it. We have learned this. This is a saprophytic nutrition type. We have given an example of fungi na, that only. So Rhizopus they have given. Rhizopus belongs to the Phycomycetes family. There are 4 kinds of types or subfamily we can say in the fungi, like Phycomycetes, Ascomycetes, Basidiomycetes, then Deuteromycetes. This is belong to the Phycomycetes. So the answer is option D. Okay. Then we came to the third question. Consider the following statement about small intestine and select the one which is not correct. Okay. The length of the small intestine in animals differs as it depends on the type of the food they eat. Yes, we have given an example of herbivorous and carnivorous. Na? So the statement here is correct. The small intestine is the site of complete digestion of food. Yes, we have learnt about intestinal juice. It is the climax zero, we have told na. So this is also correct. The small intestine receives the secretion from liver and pancreas. We have heard that in duodenum, the liver secretion which is bile juice, and from the pancreatic juice from the pancreas will be secreted in duodenum. So duodenum belongs to what? Small intestine. This is also correct. Here you see the villi of small intestine absorbs water. No, it does not absorb the water, it absorbs the nutritions from the food, from the unabsorbed food. This work is done in large intestine, not in the small intestine. So which option is correct? Option D is correct, because they have asked not correct. Next, state one role of each of the following in human digestive system. For hydrochloric acid, you can say that it converts pepsinogen, which is inactive, to the pepsin, which is active, which help in protein digestion. This we can give for hydrochloric acid. Villi will help in to increase the surface area in the small intestine, which helps in absorption also by this, and there is a blood vessels here, and villi will help to give the nutrition for each of the cell in the body. And anal sphincter, if the fecal matter have to go out, the anal sphincter is very important. It's a voluntary one. Lipase, We in the pancreatic juice we have learnt about trypsin, pancreatic amylase and lipase. Lipase converts fats to fatty acid and glycerol we have learnt. This is the role of it. Okay, which is the fat digestion we can call. Next question. Explain the nutrition process in amoeba. Okay, this is very important question. This has repeated so many times. You also know it. This is amoeba. Okay, this is the food particle which is outside. Then it needs the food particle. The amoeba needs the food particle. What it will do? I will create a false food for you as a gift. So it will create the false fruit. This is called pseudopodia. In the writing the question you have to mention this word. This is pseudopodia, which is false food. Okay. Then after engulfing the food, this is nucleus. This is food. This is called food vacuole. This also you have to mention. They will see these main words, food vacuole and pseudopodia. Then it will, some enzymes comes in that, then it will digest it. Then after that, what is the undigested food? That will thrown out of the body of the amoeba. So this is the thing. You have to explain it. We'll come to that question afterwards. This also. Amoeba involves which type of nutrition? Here it is not autotrophic because it is not preparing its own food. It is not saprophytic because it is not digesting outside the body. It is not parasitic because it is not depending on any of the host. Then what it is? It's a holozoic nutrition. Holozoic nutrition. Okay. This is one of the important question in the CBSE class 10. Write the balanced chemical equation for photosynthesis. Okay, we know that the autotrophic plants will take CO2 and water with the help of sunlight and chlorophyll. They will give the main product as C6H12O6 and as a byproduct of oxygen and also the water. So they have asked balanced one. So 6, 12, 6, 6. At the below of it now, you write the full carbon dioxide, water, glucose, byproduct as oxygen and as water. That's it. Next question, that is, when do desert plants take up carbon dioxide and perform photosynthesis? They will take the carbon dioxide at night and perform the photosynthesis at the day. At the day only they can capture the light from the sunlight with the help of chlorophyll, and they will maintain an intermediate stage. They will maintain what? They will maintain an intermediate stage. That's it for today's. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel.